It's time. It's time. It's time. Hell no. What's up? It's me, Hood Elmo. Today I'm going to be teaching you kids about fire safety and fire hazards. So number one, if the stove is plugged in, do not play with this, because look. See that? That's letting out gasoline. And if you fill your house with gasoline and then light it like this, see that? That fire? If you do that and then the thing, it's gonna burn, explode your house, okay? So we don't play with the stove. You leave that alone. Do not touch any of these buttons because it will start a fire and it can kill your family. Oh, right. And if you do accidentally catch something on fire, oh, sorry about that, guys. It kind of cut out for a second for some reason. It kind of cut out for a second. I don't know why. It's because the camera I'm using right now is kind of bad. So it died. Let me just... Oh, shit. Oh. Remember, kids. Where was I? Oh, right. Children, if you happen to start a fire... If you happen to start a fire accidentally... hold on. Okay, guys, I'm back. So if you happen to start a fire like that, the first thing you gotta do... Oh.
Elmo, what are you doing?
First thing you gotta do...
Elmo!
Is, I don't know what to do. Hold on! We had kind of a problem.
Elmo!
Hey. Gangster Elmo to you, sir.
Gangster Elmo!
Yeah, what's up?